Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export video in Premiere Pro. Once you have finished editing your video, just click on export right here. Or if you don't see that, go to File, go to Export and click on Media. And you should get to the export page. First, your format should be H.264 because that will save our video as an MP4 video, which is a common format for videos. For the preset, let's set it at Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate because that will help with our video quality. And here you can also change your location by clicking on it and also rename the video using this one right here. And then we can expand the video section, scroll down a bit, and make sure that you click on more right here so you'll be able to check to render at maximum depth, and it will also help with increasing our video quality once it is saved. And once you have set everything up, just click on the export option at the bottom right and your video should be saved in the location that you set it. And that is how you can basically export video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.